NASA's DART mission is back in the spotlight. Just this week, the space agency released stunning new footage of its spacecraft deliberately colliding with the asteroid Dimorphos. The mission's goal? To test whether we could deflect an asteroid heading for Earth. Why does this matter? These incredible images from the Hubble and James Webb telescopes show the impact was a massive success, altering the asteroid's orbit by 32 minutes, far more than expected. With scientists now analyzing the debris plume and the long-term effects, this planetary defense test marks a new era in protecting our planet. Stay tuned, because what's happening millions of miles away could one day be critical for our survival right here at home.